apparently this person met Trump in this golf course. Nobody knew about this.
Yes, who is this guy?
Who is this guy? Like तुम लोग एक आदमी उधर जाके 10 मिनट में कुछ तो भी बकेगा एंड इंडिया यूएस रिलेशंस ठीक हो जाएंगे. There is this weird article in the New Indian Express. I don't know if you saw it, but when we finish this, please read it. It says India-US ties, a gulf that was bridged on a golf course. Okay, this is by KP Nair. It was published today, and I was reading it, and I was like, WTF is this, right? So according to this article, Trump sir had a private meeting on his golf course with a private Indian person for 10 minutes. Okay. And this Indian person called this journalist and told them what happened. And he's taking, well, sort of credit for, like better ties between India and US. Right, this person. Now, what this article says, again, the reason why I say it's strange is because they don't name the person, they don't know where the golf course is, they don't know what it is, but they have extreme details about what they spoke about, what Trump spoke to him about. Okay, so apparently this person met Trump in this golf course. Nobody knew about this. Nobody knew from America also about this. Indians ko to pata hi nahi tha. And this person reminded Trump that, listen, you had come to Gujarat and you got this grand welcome in Modi. You had 1.2 million or whatever, 250,000 people were hailing you. And he was like, oh, really? It was that many people. So he counted the crowd that came to welcome him. Then he was like, oh, look, in Howdy Modi event, how many people came to have you forgotten all of that? And then Trump apparently was like, no, Trump, Modi is a good friend, all the things. And he also said that when Ivanka Trump came to, I believe, Hyderabad or whatever, he was present there and welcomed her personally. He was also present when Trump came to India and he welcomed him personally. And he also spoke to him about how Trump will expand his real estate business in India because there are so many Trump towers happening all across the country. So we are very open to having partnerships with him because this person is also connected to real estate. And I was like, what? And then uske baad, immediately after this meeting is when Trump started tweeting in favor of Modi.
Okay.
I was like, very intriguing.
Yes, who is this guy?
Who is this guy? I don't know. I'm so confused.
Who has
real estate?
Real estate with
कौन है ये मेडुसा? Like think
Adani is not allowed, so it
हो ही
cannot
नहीं
be
सकता,
Adani.
वो तो जा ही नहीं सकता.
वो तो जा ही नहीं सकता, उसको तो पहुंचेगा अरेस्ट कर लेंगे.
Yeah.
कौन हो सकता है यार?
मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ, ये कौन है? DLF का कोई है क्या?
DLF is not really flourishing as far as
Also, this person is someone who got access to a private golf course, which is
and
very...
a private meeting with the president.
Yeah, for 10 minutes. Right? And I'm like, what?
नहीं, अभी तो कुछ दिनों पहले वो था ना, there is a lobbyist who we have hired in order to...
अरे करोड़ों खर्च करते हैं हम.
Obviously, तो उसमें मुझे लगता है उसने तो कोई मीटिंग नहीं, मतलब मीटिंग सेट भी करवाई होगी, तो किसके साथ करवाई होगी? Who is it? Who is this going to be?
I'm also wondering. And also Trump specifically told his people not to let this go on record.
Let's see. What a real estate moguls in India who play golf. In India.
Who play golf.
Play golf.
Also, this person was present when Ivanka came and when Modi came. Okay, so that is an important clue. I don't know about you, but if you know who this is, please leave comments.
Ajay Piramal is there. We have Vikas
Hiranandanis are there.
And Hiranandanis are real estates. And
Lodha
they
Group.
also play golf. He's known to play golf. Neeraj Hiranandani.
Ooh.
Oh, by the way, DLF chairman also plays golf. KP Singh.
Oh, KP Singh. हाँ, किसी ने KP Singh भी लिखा है.
CEO of DLF. He also plays golf.
But do you believe this first? Because this KP Nair has given very little details, but also a lot of details and printed it. So
Ivanka, when she had come to India,
Yeah.
Ivanka Trump India visit. If you look at photographs, maybe you can see who was there.
Mm.
Ivanka Trump India visit.
But do you believe it?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know, because the thing is, that's what I love about Donald Trump. He's a loose cannon. ठीक है?
Yes.
Like, for example, he just writes these tweets praising Modi and everything, and then immediately he turns around and tells EU कि इंडिया पे 100% टैरिफ लगा दो, चाइना पे 100% टैरिफ लगा दो, क्योंकि इससे पुतिन पे प्रेशर बढ़ेगा.
Yeah.
So he is. Trump is Modi is my very good friend, but वो अभी 50% टैरिफ से कम नहीं हुआ है. बिलियन डॉलर्स का हम लोग का वो हो चुका है, लॉस हो चुका है. You know the gemstones industry का $10 billion का लॉस हुआ है.
What? इसकी
Yeah.
वजह से?
Yeah,
10
because
billion?
the whole thingy. Remember I told you, India and America का जो पूरा ट्रेड वाला वो है, we are like $45 billion का हम लोग को बेनिफिट होता है because of the earlier वाला जो टैरिफ का रेट था, उसमें हम लोगों को बेनिफिट होता है. और उसका $120 या $120 million का बिलियन डॉलर्स का हम लोगों का ट्रेड है इंडिया के साथ. उसका 10% ही gems and diamonds or gemstones का business है. And that has been struck the worst. It has stopped, like 90% drop. 90% drop has happened in I'm writing a script for the whole tariff वाला thing, तो इसलिए मेरे को पता है.
Interesting.
So, yeah.
Chat के पास दो theory है, by the way. So Antsy is pointing out that Trump Tower Mumbai is in partnership with Lodha, so that might be one. And the second is Kalpesh Mehta, founder of Tribeca Developers, licensed Indian partner for Trump Towers project. So wait, yeah. And if you're later watching this video and you have more theories, please leave it in the comments below, because क्यों नहीं? We believe everything. We believe.
सब करेंगे, हम सब believe करेंगे.
Juicy piece.
Juicy.
Yeah.
वही ना, इसके साथ कुछ भी हो बेसिकली, मतलब ट्रम्प कुछ भी बोले उसको भरोसा करने वाला तो है नहीं. कोई आज बोल रहा है कुछ, कल कुछ और बोलेगा.
America as a country is crazy, ruled by a crazy man. It's like reflective of that country. America is reflective of what America. Trump is reflective of what America is, and vice versa. So I feel like they're ruler in chief. But two things that I learned, right? One is, all these golf course meetings that he does, right? He does it because he can just wander. There can be people wandering about who can have like these 10-minute meetings, and that shouldn't go on records. तो उसके सब deals वहीं पे होते होंगे. Like the art of the deal वहीं पे होता होगा. And the second thing is freaking oligarchs, man. Like तुम लोग एक आदमी उधर जाके 10 मिनट में कुछ तो भी बकेगा, and इंडिया यूएस रिलेशंस ठीक हो जाएंगे. Is that where we are? Oh my God, I can't. Like करोड़ों रुपए जैसे as you said lobbying पे खर्च किया जा रहा है, हमारा पैसा, taxpayer money, right? And this one dude just goes 10 मिनट का बकरी करके वापस ही comes, he tells a journalist, हाँ so I met him. एंड देन उसके बाद ट्वीट होने लगते हैं, लाइक फिर से हग किसी होने लगता है मोदी और ट्रम्प के बीच में. आई डोंट गेट दिस. इज दिस हाउ डिप्लोमेसी इज डन नाउ? तो फिर हम लोग इतना क्यों थियराइज करते हैं?
apparently that's how it's done.
ये सब इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस वाले सब चोमू है. फिर क्यों बात करते हो तुम लोग? लाइक मुझे
someone is saying if America is crazy then WTF is India then.
अरे सब पागल है, डोंट वरी, सब पागल है. हम chaotic पागल है.